guys, welcome to this tutorial on Bumblebee. We're going to start in a standing position on the hammock. From standing, simply dropping the hips back slightly and then bending the knees, soles of the feet come together, and we slide down into our Bumblebee. One arm comes through to the front, shoulder to the front of the hammock, and then other arm moves through to the front. So the hammock is against my shoulder blades here. The biggest thing with Bumblebee is some pain in the ankles because it can be very tight around the feet. If you are feeling pain there, get back out by reaching back up, releasing shoulders to the back with control, and then pulling back up to standing and rearranging, creating some more space by pressing the outer edges of the feet away from each other to create more space. And then try again. So let's come back down into Bumblebee. Knees come wide, sliding down, soles of the feet together. Bring one arm through, opposite arm through. And just notice if that makes a difference. Sometimes we just have painful feet days and this pose doesn't feel good no matter what we do, and that's fine. So from here, let's come into our extended Bumblebee where we raise one hand up. So let's raise our left hand up and we extend to the front as far as possible, and we can pop our hips out so that the hammock is on our hip flexor. It's a little bit more comfortable, and then we can take a sway from side to side with our stinger behind us, which is our feet, which is why this is called Bumblebee. And this is a little bit of an extended Bumblebee. The next thing we can do is, from our Bumblebee position, we grip thumb down underneath our armpits. Noting here, if you grip too low, your fingers will get caught when you go upside down. We're going into our inverted Bumblebee. So extending down towards the floor. If we're a little bit higher, we can hang completely free. Because we're low hammock today, we're going to place the palms of our hands on the ground and then release our neck. Let it hang heavy. And also allow our knees to widen, activating the glutes for a hip opening stretch. From here, we can take a little sway from side to side if that feels good. And then to come back out, palms underneath shoulders. We grip high on the fabric, thumbs down, one hand at a time. And then we pull back up strongly for Bumblebee shape first, keeping shoulders in front of the hammock for safety. And then we can grab high, release the shoulders to the back, come through L-sit, or back to standing. So that's our Bumblebee pose. I hope you have fun with it.